Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back to Ready to Learn. If you subscribe, thank you for watching my video. If you're not subscribed and this is your first time, welcome. Well, this is my family child care room right here. This was an additional done. And so my husband and I are getting ready to lay the flooring. And so I can't wait to show you guys. I'm really excited about what God has in store for me and my business. And I give him all the praise. And I can't wait to show everybody what I've done to the room. Signing off. Thank you. Ready to Learn again. As stated before, we were putting down the floor today. We started about 8 o'clock. We had some hiccups getting around some things. But lo and behold, I want to thank my husband for everything that he's done. I have a real craftsman here. The floor is beautiful. I love it. And as stated before, it's going to be sensory, science, and art in this room. And I love it because the windows are big and the children can see the different things, the changes in the weather, the trees, also see insects, and also measure the rain. There's so many things that we can do, and I'm looking forward to it.